Hello, this is Paul Kempler with Kempler Design. I appreciate you watching our vlog. Today we're talking about Bliss automation, and Bliss is available through Alta window fashions, and it is comparable to some other products on the market, so you can kind of cross over on some of this as you look at it. But what we're going to talk about is how it works with dual shades, which are also known as banded shades on the market. And it's important that we have an understanding, because with a remote control it can go up and down, but when you have a dual shade you need it to be in the position you see right now. So first of all, we're going to do this. I'm going to show you that the first channel, I'm just going to go ahead, you can see channel 1 right there. I'm just going to hit down and you'll notice that channel, I'm hitting the wrong section. This is number 3. If I hit down, you'll notice that it closes, and at the very bottom it goes very slowly. If I hit number 4, down, same kind of thing. Now let's say I wanted to open all of them. See, you can notice how you move it to the right channel. The last one is 5. The next one, because we've programmed it, is 0. That means all. So if I just press and hold this little button right here with the dash on it for 2 seconds, 1 1000, 2 1000, and I let go, notice that it goes back to that original setting, which is a shear. And I'm going to show how that looks there. You can see outside. I had it set for me to focus on the right lighting, but I wanted you to see what it looks like as a shear, as opposed to when it's in down. It goes to the completely private. And again, I'll do this so you can see the amount of lighting that is coming through. And of course, you can just hit up, which is the up button right here, and they'll all go up together. Now there are 5 shades operating at the moment, and you can hear the volume. Anytime, this is a little tidbit, anytime you have a cassette, which is this piece right here, it's metal that is held onto a bracket that is metal, which is why you get that little vibration sound. It's totally normal with this product, but I want you to be aware of it so that you don't think it's going to be incredibly silent. It's pretty quiet. You can hear me speaking over the sound that's coming out, but I want you to be aware of that if you're ordering that. If you went with a standard roller shade that didn't have the cassette, it tends to be significantly quieter. So that is Bliss automation, in this case done with the remote control. And I'm going to have a link to another video that talks about the difference between using a remote control and using the power wand. Thank you very much for watching the Kempler Design vlog.